what's up guys? Another weekend, another fork in the road. Fork in the road now is back. We're gonna get some food, we're gonna try something new this time. I think there's a new African food truck that's come up and trying out some old favorites as well. Let's eat. First dish from the Afri-disiac food truck, which is a Boer War all on steroids. It's very meaty, it's like a rich Italian sausage with caramelized onions. Cooked really well. New Humpty Dumplings. Humpty Dumplings, Humpty Dumpty into Rachel's mouth. Yeah.
So I got the steamed pork. They're really light, packed full of flavour. Yum.
I'm gonna try. Oh, one in my mouth. That's soft. Got a strong taste of soy sauce, really soft dumplings, very rich. It was a pork, wasn't it? Yeah, good pork. Next up, we're gonna try the old school bus, which is a school bus that got converted into a food truck. And one thing I'm trying on here is the Philly cheesesteak sandwich. Can I have this seat on the bus?
Okay.
Okay, I have this seat on the bus. Goes on the bus, go round and round, round and round. Philly cheesesteak sandwich. Wait. Got a strong meatiness to it. Taste the capsicum. I miss America.
It tastes exactly like the one we had in Philadelphia.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, very nice. 31? Oh, that's beautiful. I love coffee, this is nice. After trying the iced coffee frappe, there's one thing I want to do on this bus. Beep, 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 chicken, 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 all aboard! And now for the staple classic, no choice PRG. Grilled cheese, pulled pork, melted goodness. Cheesy goodness. And now last, we've been holding this all day. The reason we do this is because Bando tends to sell out very quickly, so we get our donuts first, buy all our staple food, then come back and just finish it off. So we got the Oreo Nutella and salted caramel popcorn. So that's very sweet.
Oh, salted caramel is so good. The saltiness kind of cuts through that sweetness. It's a nice combination.
Hey, can I have it now? Oh yeah. It's so good. Sweet. It's like having caramel popcorn and donuts at the same time. Alright, finishing off today on Fork in the Road with some bubble tea. I've got the tropical with coconut jelly and Rachel's got the
mango with popping boba.
Popping boba. It's a nice little refreshing drink after a day of eating. Oh, it's so good. Refreshing. Anyway, that's the end of our vlog for Fork in the Road. I'm going to need a nap. Bye guys.